Hi everyone, so in this video I'm just going to answer a really common question I get asked, which is, do you have to put the handbrake on when you stop at a stop sign? Well, the simple answer is no, you don't. And the way I always put this to pupils is, what does it say on the sign when it says stop? Yeah, so where does it say handbrake? It doesn't say handbrake, does it? There's a lot of instructors out there who teach this about you must put the handbrake on when you stop. It's rubbish, you don't. And if you don't believe me, go and ask the DVSA, go and email them, go down your local driving test centre and ask an examiner to say, excuse me, do you have to put the handbrake on when you stop at a stop sign? And I can guarantee you they'll say no. It may be that you have to put the handbrake on at the stop sign because it's up a hill, yeah, that can happen, but not, you don't have to just put the handbrake on because it's a stop sign. So just a short video there, but it's something I wanted to clear up because it's something a lot of people often ask me about. You don't have to put the handbrake on a stop sign, and if anyone says you do, they're wrong. What you should do on a stop sign is stop. So you must stop dead. There must be no rotation of the wheel, so you're completely still, dead still, not just clutch control. You must brake, clutch, fully stop dead for at least a second or two, I recommend. And if you want to put the handbrake on, by all means you can put it on. It's not wrong, but you don't have to put it on. Because there's this common thing about people say you have to put it on. That's incorrect. So just a really short, quick video, but I'm thinking about doing more like this where I'll simply answer some common questions that people often ask, the things that instructors often get wrong. Yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon for more videos. Stop sign. So it might sound obvious, but what must you do on a stop sign that you don't normally have to do? You have to actually stop. Yeah, so this is where we don't creep. You can creep after you've stopped, but not initially. So this might seem really obvious, but I'm just going to demonstrate briefly now what this is. So if I go into one now, just be clear, this is what doesn't count as a stop, because it's what loads of people do, drivers on tests and non-tests, whatever, mess up on this. They get to a junction, do this, they're braking a bit, like that, and like that. This doesn't count as stopping. I'm not going much at all, so I'm still moving. I'll be careful with that thing behind, but what you must do is stop dead, like that, no movement at all, there must be no rotation in the wheel. Okay. Do you have to put the handbrake on or not?
You don't have to.
No, that's good. But the one we do, you probably will, just because I know. Why would I know? Maybe if I come off the brake on.
Because the road's like sloping a bit.
Yeah. So we very slightly went back there, not much at all, but he did a tiny bit. So you don't have to, but you can if you want. That's okay. But what you can't do is this: you can't just get there and then you say, "Well, so stop." Okay, that isn't stopping. You must be stopped, dead. Handbrake, yeah, if you need it, and then go. That's it, that's good. It's good, just past that, so that's quite hard. That's it. So one tip is don't brake much at all, just a little bit but not much. Clutch down early. I know we said down before, but roll down now. And then not much brake at all, just roll and roll and roll. Get right before the line, brake the back, no, that's really good. And then stop, that's it. And then from there, just what you normally do.
We're going straight.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
So, but what's wrong, what needs to be done? Oh, that's it. That's it. So the one end, if we creep a little bit, they'll probably wait for us, although maybe not. Let's see.